Yapmala Motorsports Club, in collaboration with the Motorsports Club of Meghalaya, is organizing the first Yapmala Northeast Motocross Championships 2021 on 10th and 11th December 2021 at Yapmala in East Jaintia Hills. The main attractions include swimming competition, fashion show by local designers, and a DJ night featuring DJ Jelly, DJ Defrex, DJ Sen and DJ Daffy. Tent stay will be made available for campers on both days. The event is sponsored by Michael Nongtadu, Eccentric and Oldest Shilla. So people, come let your hair down and enjoy the taste of food, fashion and music at the event.
More details, contact 93627-83292 and 98628-23900.
Don't miss it.
Members of the KHASI Students' Union, KHANDULI-UMSHYNGIAR and LAPANGAP units had organized a press conference to make public the corruption charges against the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council as far as the implementation of the tea plantation project is concerned. KSU President of KHANDULI-UMSHYNGIAR unit, T. Kren, informed that 15 hectares of tea garden situated in Murangtung and which partly falls between Nongkle and Shillong villages in the border between Meghalaya and Assam has been lying unattended to for a very long time. The scheme under the JHADC for the period 2006 to 2014 has been sanctioned for a total amount of rupees 2,69,07,309, out of which an amount of rupees 1,14,19,199 has been put to use. The details are as per the right to information filed by the KSU of both the units on 26 February 2020, KSU President KHANDULI-UMSHYNGIAR unit informed. He added that inquiries related to soil testing, seeding and nursery and staff recruitment were not provided in the report of the RTI filed by the particular units of the KSU.
Kakap border kakap kadai karai jong nang elaka nang chingi bat Shillong mentang. Taki jaka long kumne long la jaka indon hang ne Murangtung mo kenting bat riat siat mui. Kini kidai ki jaka ki ba kita ki slacha kumba lawan mentang kesini. Tengilap nagini ki la jaka ngilap tang ka wei jaka ko dong slacha. Bat kata rukam da kim da sumar ke uslasha da he ba.
Kini gibriu gi badon kerteng hang nero kini gibriu kim dei na kate ka than kisu long kumba kisu wat nang tu nang ne kini gibriu ro
kane jaga bono slasha ki fage
ya kane himu kontain Murangtung sorry Murangtung
hai dan untuk nak kanduli gadon
set not nak kanduli ta
ini kinong tray tham impression kidan kat nongot
don la su banyak
ya kane tiba long ngimyara dai kini ki list of focus
serial number
list of focus kidang bun hayin
ada stek bun ba
mdiki hajar kidan
hai
kidon
hajar
hai
kamu pimisannya begini gini
em misalnya namar pada
ngilak keli dah gitu ki para jan Shillong tu ngilak ba ngilak keli lagi ba
usabla ruang ba usabla ruang umnu sa banong ba kini gidai syak ta no train mar ba ki mauru umnu tra banong ha arti ai umla ban sisa ini bagi dai sisa gini ki bawa
train ai gini ki ai umka daily wages na kum ka salary
kum ka daily wages
kini
don ki bag kisiu si
spas ni
masuk hang ne
benar ketika kami kini ke
kini project kadai nado 2006 2014 kadai ka financial ni ndai nado ba ngi kendu yu sabla ruang mentala abandon ni kini jaka
dia nado 2006 14 katong ba yo generate income
kumno ba yo
Kamu ke income lah juga nang terus laju abang tip.
Em kim nado ba permi kini sasiam don jing mi ai kan tu je
lo na baro ki selesai ni tang
tang na kini ke wei na kemurang tung kini ki mention menta la jakang ni don tang ke wei dah badon
long ke boundary ro kam don su entah long la pralut
ke fencing don ni long ke ai ba su le untuk
The president of the KSU Lapangap unit, while speaking to reporters, informed that the decision of the Assam government in setting up of a university adjacent to the tea garden will pose a threat to areas belonging to the state of Meghalaya. He further stated that the two units of the KSU have given 1 week's time to the JHADC to resume the tea plantation project, failing which the students' union would go in for protests and even file corruption charges against the council.
Ngingilap man kapor ba kadis council hi kanang tang ban ba mi bisa henrei yiki kam ban yadai kaput kadon la kajong kabor ban yadai kaput kadon hi kata ka banding committee ban yadai kaput ki kum kita kim ju bana henrei kum kini ki jat kam ki bana te kamut nagaliang jongi kum gesing ngingila perkhat ba kene kesenjam ka bangin simba lada nginai por ki po sitiau bakin penmiat penbha bakin lek bha yo te keslacha lada hapo sitiau kimlei ei ngi ngimban se ban sim la ka jong senjam hakta kom ngin ya kendu ya circle district ban nakta sisi ban hadu wa uput uba ngihap ban file case support kuru ngidang ya perkhat dikata hadin kan di kapor bangilai